About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming a neon eyeliner look, so I really hope you enjoy this, and it's going to include the full tutorial, so stay tuned guys, and we're going to go directly into it. I'm going to start with my eyes first. Today I'm going to be using my eyebrow pencil, and this is the Brow Wiz in shade medium brown by Anastasia, and then I'm just going to do a few strokes. And then I'm just going to go in with my brush and just comb this through. So I've just gone in and done both my eyebrows, and I'm just going to go in with my concealer like always and just tidy up my brows, and then just bring this down onto my base as I use this as a primer. If you do have oily eyelids, one of the primers that I really like is Stay Don't Stray by Benefit. That's also really good, and so is the Paint Pot by MAC. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender. So I'm just going to go in with Bitter Star from the Zoeva palette, and this is the Cocoa blend. So I'm just going to pop some of that onto my eyes and just use this as a setting colour to set my concealer in. Okay, so the colour that I'm going to go in on the palette is Substitute for Love. I'm literally just going in and applying this around the crease of my eye. And you just want to pack quite a lot of colour in and towards the centre, and then do circular motions coming into the eye from either end. And this is like a base colour. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Mario Collab palette, and in the shade Isabel, I'm going to go in so that it's a little bit darker, and it's just a nice warm sandy brown. And that's the best way I can explain what it is. So the reason why I'm just using the same blending brush is because I'm trying to build the colour, so I don't necessarily need to go in with a whole new blending brush because the colours are quite similar. And then I always just sort of take whatever's excess, just go into my eyebrows and along the sides. And I'm going to go in with the shade Isabel and just bring this under my eye. And just taking the excess and just bringing it back over. I'm just going to go in with, change my mind. I'm just going to go in with Freshly Toasted from the Zoeva palette and just apply it in the centre, just there. And then I'm just going to bring whatever's remaining onto the brush down on both ends of my crease. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's just a little bit more concentrate in that area, which is nice. It just gives like a definition to that area. So I'm going to go in with the same Zoeva palette, and I'm going to go in with colour Pure Carnage, and using my finger, I'm just going to apply this across my lid, and this just gives nice emphasis and drama to the inner part of your eye. And then I'll just go back in with a blending brush. We want it to be just more concentrated towards the inner corner. Now we're going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics and KOKO Collab Matte Liquid Lipstick as a liner. And this is in shade Dull. So it's like a perfect bright orange. So I'm just going to get some onto my eyeliner brush. And I'm using my eyeliner precision brush in shade 23, and I'm just giving quite a nice amount onto my brush. on the eyeliner, and I'm actually really liking this. I've never done a lip liner either. But I'm just going to go in with my NYX liner and just also do black, very black, a thin black line. So the eyes are finished. Now I went in with my Doll Beauty eyelashes, and these were in the range Page Up. And I'm going to go in with my base, so like always. So I'm going to go in with my Elizabeth Arden moisturizer and apply this everywhere. And then I'm going to go in with my Blur, Skin Tune Blur by Versali, and a couple of drops of this. So I'm just going to go in with a flat brush and apply my foundation. And this is in the colour Spice Sands, and it's by Estee Lauder, and it's the Double Wear foundation. Love this foundation, honestly. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my Sephora blending brush and push all of my foundation into my skin. Now, one of the things about the Estee Lauder foundation, you might be thinking, okay, your foundation's a slightly bit lighter shade than your skin tone. Well, the thing is, this foundation actually oxidizes. So when you see it at the end, you won't realize that actually it was light in the beginning. This looks like I've got a lot on, but I really haven't. It's just the way that I'm pushing this in, and because I'm not swiping it, your product kind of sits on top until it's blended in. And then when you go in with your beauty blender afterwards, you get like a real clean finish. But right now your aim is just to push this into your skin. Now, after you've done that, that's when you start blending. I usually use the back side of my beauty blender and just push this into my skin. So we're going for like a dewy, bronzy, goldy base to go with this eye look, and I think it will look really nice. So I'm just going to go in with my medium tan sand concealer by Tarte. I have got an eyeshadow underneath my eye, so I'm not taking it too far in. And then I'm going to take it all the way up the side of your nose, not onto your eyebrows like I did, but you know, a bit more of the tan sands. This is Tan Sand Deep, so this is one shade darker, and I just like to do this towards the edges because I feel like it will just blend in nicely. So more closer to my eye, I've taken a lighter shade, so this will help highlight, and then more towards the outer part of my concealer, I've gone in with a darker shade to help the transition look more seamless. And just whatever's left on my concealer brush, I'm just taking this onto my forehead and my chin. Go back in with your beauty blender and just blend and push this all into your skin. And now I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia contour and contour my face. So I'm just going to go in with the two colours, this and this one, kind of mix it in. Use the tip of the top of your ear as a point of where you should start your contour, and then just take it down there, and then I like to go up into my temples, onto your forehead. So I'm just going to press my concealer one more time, and then just go in with my beauty blender and just take off the excess. And I'm going in with the translucent powder, and this is the Kat Von D one. I'm going to take the rest of the powder just underneath underneath where my contour finished on both sides, and this just gives you a really nice snatched finish. I'm going to go in with my buffing brush and take my All Nighter powder and just apply this all over. And I'm doing this before I'm doing my, what's it called? Setting my contour. And that's just because I want to make sure my base is just completely seamless. So now I'm just going to go in with my Hoola and my contour brush and using the shade Hoola Caramel. And I'm just applying this to my hand points where I've contoured. And once again, it's that same effect where I'm not pulling, I'm just pushing this in and taking it down. And I'm just going to go over that because I said that I wanted a more bronzier look. So I'm just going to go in with my Summertime Shimmer Bronzer by Pixie. And that's just giving a very bronzy look. So I'm just going in with the Nars Orgasam blusher onto my cheeks. So just apply this everywhere, and then I'm going to go in with a powder. So I'm just going to push this in with a beauty blender because it is a cream product and I don't want to swipe. And then just go in with your powder. Now take it all the way up when I'm doing it, and then I'm going to go back in with my buffing brush and just make sure it's all blended. This is the key, guys, to making sure your makeup stays all day, doesn't crease. So now I'm going to go in with the last thing that's on my base, which is the iconic drops. I am obsessed with these. I love this, especially when you want to go for that bronzy glowy feel. So to apply this, I use my beauty blender. Just push it in and you will get this amazing glow. Go in with a bit on my nose and the bridge, and then whatever's remaining, just take it onto my forehead. And already, like you can see, it's such a glowy finish to your skin. I'm just going to go in with a blending brush, and I'm just going to use the shade from earlier, which is Substitute for Love, and just apply this underneath my eyes. And now to finish off the eyes, just go in with mascara. So I've just gone and finished my base off by doing my lips and what else did I do? I just did my hair actually, I didn't really do anything to my base. And I'm just going to do the last bit of my trick to get the most dewiest finish. So just go in with your Tatcha and literally just apply it to your eyebrows. And honestly, this is how you get this glowy finish. Just going to go in with a bit more of my Pixie just here. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me put this look together. Please do go and recreate it and do tag me if you do post this on Instagram. Yeah, I hope you have an amazing Friday. Love you guys. Bye.